Hey guys, it's Kelsey. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make a glass dome roof for your building. You'll have to bear with me because I'm still not perfect at it. It's something that I've never done before, so I am still working out the kinks on how to do it perfectly. But I'll go ahead and show you what I learned today. So, as you can see, it's not perfect when I look at it in the 3D view. It's showing up on the floor of the third floor of my building. And, or I think it is actually my ceiling. I didn't have it set to the correct height when I made my dome. That's why it's a little bit lower. But I'll go ahead and show you how to do that anyway. Okay, so I learned that what you have to do is you have to go into, well, first, what's the best way to do this? I will do it off to the side just to give you guys an idea of how to do it. Okay, so I'm just drawing a ceiling right here. And then, okay, so if you would imagine that this is the ceiling on the floor that you want to put your dome on, then you'd go ahead and just select it and you edit the boundary. And then you're going to want to go ahead and put in the size that you want your dome to be. So like the bottom circumference, I guess you could say. So I'm going to go ahead and just find the center of my ceiling. Oops. Oops. Okay. Hold on. Like I said, I'm still learning along with you guys how to do this the best way. But if you have suggestions, please let me know. Okay, so the diameter, or I guess our radius is going to be 60 feet. And then we can go ahead and delete these lines there. And then we'll just press OK. Alright, so this is going to be a very big dome, which is totally fine. But, so now you can see we have a big hole in our ceiling. Okay, so then what we're going to do next is we're going to go into component and we're going to model in place. So something that's important in this step is to go down and select mass when it's in the asking you for the family category. So we're going to go ahead and put mass, and then we'll just write in glass dome. Okay. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and draw the base of our dome here. So this part's a bit tricky. I still haven't figured out the best way to do it, but let's try it out. Okay, so we're just going to make this 60. And then we'll move this into place. Let's just double check it's aligned. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then you see up here it says create form. So you're going to click the down arrow on that, and we want this to be a solid form. And then right here, down here, it gives you two options to select from. When I was learning how to do this in the video that I looked up, they just selected this right side right here. So that's what I did as well. and then I believe we just press finish. And then I'll show you what it gives me. So it gives us this huge circle. See? So then the next step is to go ahead and go to curtain system under architecture, and then you select the system that you want to create. So we're going to select our, now I guess it would be a sphere instead of a dome. Then you would press create system, and then that gives you the curtain wall. And as you can see, it's just the top half of our huge circle that the curtain wall went onto, which is good because that's what we wanted, not the bottom half. So then what I did is just press escape, and then I selected the circle mask, and it doesn't select the curtain wall system. So then what I did is I just deleted the sphere that's underneath it, and it gives us this awesome dome right here. Yeah, so hopefully you learned a little something. Sorry I'm not a pro at it yet. We're all learning together. But so over here for mine, what I'm going to go ahead and do to make mine exactly where I want it to be is I'm going to raise my ceiling and then do the same process over again and make sure that it's in the exact same spot and exactly how I want it to look. But hopefully that gives you an idea of how to create a dome on top of your building. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!